So now I've got my template. I'm gonna trace it out on here and then cut it out. I'm gonna try to cut it with a bevel on it. We'll see how that's gonna go. I know cutting this stuff is always a mess, so that's another thing. I'll make sure I use a really sharp razor. Also, your material, Hobby Lobby. Go select whatever you want. We got some that was darker than this from Hobby Lobby, and then decided we would order some, so we ordered it also. So. Round 2. Or is this round? It was like 3 or 4. Back in dust. I can see it a little better. The magnet jumped off the board before the board even got up there. So that tells me the glue wasn't holding. I don't think that hot glue is going to hold those magnets. All right, this is where I have to stop the video because this is where I learned. I wanted to go back and tell you the mistakes I made by putting this on. So the hot glue and super glue, neither one of them held the magnets on. So what I did find is this, which is the Gorilla Glue Construction Adhesive Maximum Strength Clear. It takes 24 hours to set. I let it set for roughly about 18 hours, and it seemed to hold. But we also changed to these. I put in my pocket because it sticks to everything. These rare, whatever, magnets. And I don't know if you focus in on that. Off of Amazon. And so I put 4 of them on there, and it's a good thing. I need to get it out in the sun, put some more sun on it, see how it holds up. But so far, so good.